Hello my dear, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the shopping haul and unboxing. It's been 4 months that I did not do this kind of video, so as requested, so here it is. As I mentioned from my previous vlog, I don't usually buy items that are not on sale, and until such time that I saw this Fila store, and it is 50% sale! All items are 50% sale. And if you are curious, what did I bought from Fila store? Please continue watching. Yes, and we are back! So, let's start. So, I bought this first item. This is a jogging pants. The original price is $2,590 and I got it for 50% sale or discount. Yay! So nice. Next item is this black sweater from Fila Milano.
Wow!
This white line Fila. I love this. This is actually $2,819 and I got for 50% discount. Yay! And of course, I also bought pants that matches this sweater. And here you go!
Wow!
For $2,890 baht. And I got this for 50% discount. And of course, since that I like the black sweater, I also bought the white version. Ta-da!
Wow!
This is Fila Milano white line Fila sweater as well, and this is also $2,890. And I got this for 50% discount, so 1,445 baht only. So for peso, you can compute like 1 baht is equal to 1.58. Yeah, 1.58. 1.58, so how much is that? But unfortunately, I don't have the size for the pants. It's out of order, so I only got the white sweater. And maybe I'll go back there if it's still 50% discount, or if there's still 50% sale. Maybe I'll go there and look if they already have the white stock for the white pants. Stock for the white pants. And of course, I bought this shoes from Fila.
Wow!
You know that I have a lot of white shoes already, but the thing is, this is actually unique, and you can see the Fila F-I-L-A letters over here. And well, you know that my size is 11, but this size is 10.5, and yeah, I tried it and it fits perfect, and I love it. Welcome to my new. Say hello to my new babies!
Wow!
And of course, the outfit is not complete without Fila body bag. Yay!
Wow!
And I got this for 1,590 and that's 50% discount. So almost 800 or 790 plus something. Yay! Body bag, and I love the details here. It's like a galaxy wherein the color is dominated by violet or purple color. And I love this because it's big and it has several pockets over here in front. This is where I put all my chargers. I put all my my earphones and a lot of cords. And here I can even put foods in the buffet. Or I can put a lot of stuff over here. And of course I can put my phone here for easy access. I can just grab it here and then use my phone. Okay. So I think that's it. And I hope that you're gonna like this video, this unboxing and shopping haul video. So there you go. I hope that you like this short unboxing video. And I would like to say that me from Ateneo Black LZ Bangkok, together with other Filipino communities like AFT, Association of Filipinos in Thailand, Pinoy Tayo, DTI, PTIZ Bangkok, and BCBP Bangkok. Right now we are having Bangon Bayanihan Drive, tulong para sa mga affected people or kababayan. So I hope that you're going to donate. I'm going to flash the QR code, and as of the moment we already gathered 55,000 plus funds. And thank you so much to all who donated, and to those who did not donate yet, please do so. Please do your share if you have extra, because we have a lot of kababayan who are still affected by the typhoon back in the Philippines, that they don't have light, they don't have lamp, they don't have even they don't have houses, and they can't celebrate Christmas and New Year together. So in our own simple way, we could be able to share and extend our help for them. So thank you so much, everyone. I hope that you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up if ever you will watch this video. Think that you are going to help one person back in the Philippines. Please do share, like, and subscribe this video for more latest updates. Bye!